Hey, Elisha, my good friend. Oh.
Who is your good friend? Wanyas.
Are we quarreling?
Are you asking me? Don't ask me. So after what I told you, you still went ahead and betrayed me.
Ah, please, let me explain.
Explain what?
Pico.
What are you explaining? I have seen the kind of person you are. Nonsense.
Hey. Okay, why is she even angry with me? When her mouth was running like a typewriter. Is it my fault? Nonsense. ₦100,000. Hey! Where did you get this money? Akpan,
My dear.
where did you get this money?
I've told you, stop this thing now. Forget about where I got it from.
Why did you give it to me now? Makagini.
It's because about that thing I told you.
What?
Yes, I want to marry you.
Are you mad? Are you mad? I will not marry you. You are laughing.
Your slap is so sweet. Where can I talk here?
What is it?
Baby, stop all of this now. Stop this. Talk to me.
What exactly do you want me to say to you? Where have you been?
I told you I was traveling. I traveled.
You told me. No, did you? Did you tell me you were traveling?
It was an emergency. It's okay. Chill.
Tony, what exactly have I done to you? No, what wrong have I done to you? You treat me in a manner that I don't even understand. Same thing you did that landed me in cell the last time.
I said I'm sorry.
No, you are not sorry. Because you would do the same thing over and over again.
Oh, okay. It will never happen again. Cross my heart. Please, smile for me. Angel, please. My love, smile for me.
Just leave me alone, please.
Yeah, I'm really one for hey, hey, anybody fine like me? Good day. This is my wristwatch. Where is my money?
Hey, Nne, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. How is Uchenna?
Uchenna is there.
I'm here. I'm very fine. I used to work in the palace, Royal Palace.
Work is fine. I hope you are not giving Mama headache. Oh.
Me, no, bam. See. As it stands now, I'm a husband material, 1,000 yards. Yesterday, if you see what I cleared for Mama in the farm, you will keep fish from me, Bulu Mazu. Anna.
Eh, Mama, is that true?
Yes, my daughter. He's trying. Yes.
Okay. Mama, I have something I would like to discuss with you.
I hope all is well.
All is well, Mama. Don't worry. Everything is fine. I'll call you in the night. Oh?
No problem. Nne, how is work in the city?
Hey! Let me have that phone.
Good morning.
I said, let me have that phone.
Good morning, my
Oh, shut up and keep that greeting to yourself. No, you little nitwit. I left 200,000 naira in my room this morning. Where is my money?
I did not see any money.
Oh, you did not see any money. Shut up! Keep short! My goodness, wait a minute. Did you call me a liar? Oh no! I stole my own money, right? Listen, I need my money right here and now.
I did not steal any money, my princess.
Will you keep that thing you call a mouth shut? You went into my room to sweep the room this morning, right? And I left 200,000 naira in that room. Where is my money? Shut up before
I'm sorry, my princess.
You know what? Listen to me and listen good. If I don't get my money, I will kill you and throw you over that fence. And you know the beautiful thing about it? Nobody's going to do anything about it. You know what? I am going to have a word with my father before I deal with you. Rubbish.
You did not steal any money.
Did I hear you say something?
You don't say anything.
Rabbits.
Clement, what is it? What happened?
She said she had something to tell me. I hope my daughter is not in trouble.
I call her again.
Oh, Uchenna, you don't understand. I had someone asking her to bring the phone. That means that the phone has been taken away from her.
Mama, what's happening in the royal palace?
Uchenna, I don't know.
Call her again.
Uchenna, that is the reason I said we should go and know where she is in the city. We're supposed to know where she's living. We're supposed to know the palace.
Mama Wazico. But call her again. Because if you call her, keep calling her. If not, tomorrow, in one city, palace, I will be there. I need to see where my sister is staying.
The phone has been taken away from my daughter.
Mama, we are call that phone to that phone off. Be calling that phone to somebody pick. Tomorrow by first bus, I'm not coming to city.
God help me, oh.
Father, I had checked my drawer this morning and that money was intact. It didn't suddenly grow wings and walked out of my room or flew out of the room. Somebody must have taken that money and it will be no other person than this idiot standing here. She's the only one who entered my room today.
Your Majesty, I did not take any money. I've not stolen before.
See, if I slap you, I'll kill you here today if I don't see that money.
Victoria, in my presence?
Kate, where is the money? My queen, I swear with my life, I've not stolen before. I didn't steal the money.
Acting as if people are suffering you in this palace, but you know exactly what you are doing. You know what? I don't even have time for this. I am going to your room right now. In fact, we are going to your room. I am searching every nook and cranny. I'm sure I'm going to find my money there. Ngwa, move. Stand up. Stand up before I whip you in
Your Majesty, allow her to go and search.
Come on, move.
Please, to calm her curiosity.
But Your Majesty, what if she's the one that took the money?
No. she's not capable of doing such thing.
You're so sure?
Yes.
Go inside. Go inside. What happened? Mother.
Yes.
I found this in her room.
Hello. Really? Kate! You mean you're the one that stole the money all the while and you're here lying to us? Huh?
My queen, I did not take the money.
No. I stole my own money, mother. If I give you Papa's slap. Oh, you're still lying.
Where did you get this one? The one they found in your bag. Where did you get this money from? Where?
Are you still lying? No, Cheregodu, can what I got if you Are you still lying? You want me to slap you?
Hey, Victoria, please. Come on, let her be.
Really?
Your Majesty, is that all you have to say?
I'll find out the truth.
Anyways, Father, I want my complete money.
Victoria, you'll get your money. I will give you your money. But I will investigate the matter by myself.
Your Majesty, are you serious? Even with the evidence staring at us, you're still saying she did not steal the money?
I didn't say that.
Why did the king defend me the way he did? I thought he would have punished me severely. Aban is the cause of all this. But wait. Are you sure he did not steal Princess Vicky's money? He refused to tell me where he got the money from.
So, the thief is right here.
Hey!
My princess.
So at last, part of the money was discovered in your room.
Yes, she still denies stealing it. This girl is a thief, oh. Very big thief.
I wonder what she's still doing here. Our father was supposed to chase her away immediately.
Very soon. Just very soon. Thief. Rubbish.
Mm-hmm.
Let us go, please. Oh, shit.
What I know nothing about. Papa must tell me where you got that money from. Get up.
Hey. Oh, what is it?
Where did you get that money from?
I thought I've told you to stop asking me this thing. Forget about where I got the money from. Eh?
Did you take Princess Vicky's money?
What kind of talk is that?
Princess Vicky is looking for her 200,000 naira. And she's accusing me of being responsible for it.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yes. And she searched my room and saw the 100,000 naira you gave to me. Better tell me, oh.
Give me, where did you get the money? Better tell me. What's going on there? What are you two discussing?
I was just telling him to return the plate I gave him food with, so I can wash it with others.
You, come with me. –
Baby, so you mean your father gave you the 200,000 naira?
Yes, he did. But you know what I'm still trying to understand? How my father handled this matter. It seemed like he was trying to protect that idiot.
Really?
Yes.
Did she say where she got the money from?
My father wouldn't allow her to do so.
Wow. Well, the important thing is that you got your money back. The money is now with you. That's more important.
Yes, that's important, but I have to get to the root of this.
Sure.
I have to know why my father keeps protecting that girl. And I would not rest until I get that idiot out of the palace.
That's my girl. That's my love. And by the way, baby, can I have the money now?
Sure.
That's my love.
Okay. So this is it.
Wow. You are a darling.
I know.
See, this is why I always talk about you.
Really?
You're too much for a woman. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Angel.
So when are you coming to see my father?
Oh, your father. Talking about that, baby, you know, there are things we need to iron out. The last time I was in the palace, your father threw me out. And he warned me never to come there again. So that's what you need to iron out. Talk to your father first. Okay?
Yeah, that's true. Okay. It's alright. So, don't you think we should go to your house?
Oh,
it's
talking about
been
my
a
house.
long time.
I know, baby, but I told you I have an emergency. When I come back, I'll call you. I'll call you when I come back.
Alright. Make sure you call me when you come
Sure,
back.
my love. I'll call you. My angel. I love the you roll your eyes. Do it again. Yeah.
Alright,
I love
please.
you, angel.
Drop me in the house. I need to get back to
Okay.
the palace.
Yeah, that's my baby girl.
Kate, where did you get the 100,000 naira from? Where?
My queen. My queen.
Your Majesty?
Let her go.
Go.
Thank you, my queen.
Your Majesty, I feel embarrassed. Does it mean I have no right to question her over the money?
I have a reason to want to handle the matter by myself. Anyway, I didn't mean to embarrass you. I'm sorry.
Honestly, I am not happy at all, Your Majesty.
But just drop it.
I am not happy.
I
Your
said
Majesty,
drop
I'm
it.
not happy. I'm not happy. Your Majesty, I'm not happy.
I better turn my phones off before you start calling me. Yeah, now I'm good to go.
Oga! Good afternoon.
Hold on.
I say you good today. Let go! Let go! Back close now! Omo, mama. Oga, thank you! More like this now, This one key. Buy 5 pomo. 2 bottles of Pepsi. If I perish, I perish. Okay.
Hello, Angel. Hello, baby. Baby, hello. What is it? Why are you wearing a long face? What's going on?
Please, don't talk to me, I beg you.
Hey, baby, come on, share up. What's going on?
Did you not say you were going to be back in a jiffy?
Oh, that.
So what kept you so long?
Baby, I was at the bank and the queue was so long. I need to get this money for you.
I see. Can I have it?
Just like that? No hug.
Are you giving me the money or not?
Okay, alright.
How much is here?
100,000 naira.
This will not be enough. I'll be expecting the balance by weekend.
You still have to me, you know. Hold on. Where are you going? I just got in.
Leaving, of course.
No, I just got in.
Are you even aware that I've been waiting for you here for God knows how long? Oh, please excuse me.
What's wrong with this girl? You don't even know how hard I got this money.
For goodness sake, what is wrong with Tony's phone? I've been trying to reach him. What in God's name is wrong with Tony? He intentionally turned off his phone. Mom, good afternoon.
God bless you, my daughter. How are you?
Mother, I am not fine. Really, that girl called Kate should leave this house. That is the only way I can be fine. She needs to leave. I don't want to set my eyes on her again.
My daughter, it's not in my power. It's in your father's.
That is exactly what is getting me all bothered because the way father supports her marvels me. I don't know why he is doing that.
I don't know either. Maybe that's how he wants it.
Exactly. I don't want it that way. I need you people to tell that girl to go back to where she belongs. That is it. Excuse me. I don't know why this one wouldn't take this course.
Come to think of it, His Majesty has not punished her yet, or even found who the thief is.
I'll just walk in and I'll say, "Greetings, Your Majesty." The Queen will ask me.
What do you want? Say it, what do you want?
I'll say, Your Majesty, I would like to tell you something. And the King will say, "Okay, my friend, say what you want to say. Come on, say it. Say it." I'll say, "My King, please, I would like to marry Kate."
And you'll be surprised. Kate!
Papa,
What is it? Why is your face like that?
I've come to ask you, where did you get that money from?
I've told you not to worry yourself. Don't bother yourself. The Igwe said that he's going to take care of it.
Man, I'm being accused of what I know nothing about. Tell me or I'll go and tell the Queen.
Hey, don't try it though. Don't even try it at all.
Oh yeah, tell me, where did you get that money from? Tell me now. I'll go
Calm
and tell
down,
the
calm down. I'll tell you. When the time comes, I'll tell you.
Queen.
What are you doing there?
Nothing, ma.
What are you doing here?
Nothing.
This is what you say each time I see you both discussing. You always tell me nothing. Huh? Are you sure you did not give Akpan part of the money you stole from my daughter's bedroom?
Me? No, I did not steal any money. Oh.
She did not give me anything. Oh.
Keep quiet there. She didn't give you any money. Then what were you people discussing? You're not saying anything. I'll have the guards search your room thoroughly for my daughter's money. Guards!
My queen.
Go in there, search it thoroughly for my daughter's money.
Yes, my queen.
Don't trust this at all. Nonsense.
Greetings, my queen.
Your Majesty.
The king, tell her what you told me.
My queen,
Yes.
I said I am in love with Kate, and I would like to marry her.
Hey! Uh-huh. I said it. That is why I have been seeing both of you together. It's not making sense. Your Majesty, can you imagine? He has been sleeping with Kate all this while.
Hey, my queen, I've not touched her. I've not done anything with her. Truth. I've not. My king.
You can go.
Thank you.
I'll call you later.
Thank you, my king. Thank you, my queen.
Your Majesty, is that all you have to say? I thought you were going to ask him some questions.
But do you think that is a bad intention?
Are you... Are you saying you support him?
Akpan is a grown-up. He can make and take decisions. And if he truly wants to marry Kate, I don't think that's a bad idea.
So you will allow that to happen in this palace?
Where else?
I don't get it. How can Akpan tell the Igwe that he wants to marry me? Isi adirokwa that boy anymore. Na-ekwu.
Mother, she's here.
I think. Good afternoon.
Instead of you to focus on the job you're here to do, you are busy sleeping with my gate man. Huh?
My queen, no. No.
Quiet! Keep quiet there. No wonder I always see you both talking secretly. And each time I ask you, you tell me nothing.
My queen, it's not true. Me and Akpan, nothing. Anyway.
Kate, please, just say the truth.
My princess. There's nothing going on between me and Akpan.
Hey, Isioku, don't bother. Don't bother to defend yourself or even lie. Because I'm going to find out. Nonsense.
Kate, you know you can always trust me. Please, just tell me the truth.
My princess, is you cook and na wagi? Me and Akpan, enwe ejiko mu na Akpan. Ama kwa me baba nsi bute yo na ako. Akam de quarter.
If I'm fine. See, what you did is not good. You just left this country and forgot about me. It's not nice, though. And it's well, Sha. Baby, you won't understand. Things are cost now. Hey. Okay, imagine the other day, I went for shopping. I took almost 200,000 and I could not even get anything. Babe, please, can I call you back? Yes, love you too. What is it? Why are you staring at me like that?
Ebere, you went shopping after Vicky's money got missing?
Excuse me. What do you mean by that?
You heard me. Yes, you do. Wait, don't tell me. Oh my God.
Please get out of this place. What does she even mean by that?
Mama, Diego said I should give you this.
Hey! You mean Igwe gave you all this?
Yes, Mama.
For more?
Forgive her, oh.
For more?
Forgive her.
Hey! Mama, for us. Oh, this is wonderful. God has finally remembered us. Hi.
God has put my enemies to shame. Koro shame.
My name is Uju.
Hey, Nemo.
Thank God for you.
So, what did you tell him about the marriage?
Ha, Mama, I've not told him anything. Not at all. At this point, I had him confused. I don't even know what to say. Do you know? He promised to build us a new house if I agree to marry the gate man.
Hey!
Wait, you mean the Igwe promised to build us a new house?
Ha, Mama, he said that though. He said that.
I can't lose with you.
Huh? So, you mean the Igwe promised to build us build us a house?
Mama, he said that though. I don't even know his reasons. I don't know.
Inasi, you don't even know his reasons. The reason is that he wants you to marry the gate man.
When he hears all the
you don't know the reason. You don't even know the reason.
Mama.
Mama. Senior, I do. Mama, see, the way I'm seeing this thing, it's like maybe that gate man is the king's relation. You are not a royal family. As it stands now, there's royal blood.
Hey! Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Listen to me and listen carefully. I don't want you to carry this news. Start spreading it all over the village.
This beautiful moment now, you want to spoil it. I will not tell anybody anything.
But what she's saying is the truth.
I will not tell anybody.
Hey, make it
Dede. Guess. I have good news for you.
Please let me be. I'm not interested in your good news.
Let me normal gist. This is not a normal gist. It's not a normal gist at all. This gist, if you will not believe it. Tell her.
Oh yeah, talk. I'm listening.
Good. My sister, my sweet, lovely sister, is getting married to a prince. Why are you laughing?
Chai!
Are you done laughing? No, laugh more. laugh out your stupidity. But see, let me tell you one thing.
Wait.
It will shock you.
Wait. Who is marrying a prince? Your sister, Abashasela. God.
Are you done laughing? No, laugh more. Laugh more. Laugh out your stupidity. Yeah, laugh. Because it will shock you. It will so shock you. See, let me tell you. My sister just traveled back to the city yesterday. Very soon. Yeah, I know, dear.
Yes. See, Uchenna, I will not believe until I see it happen. You hear me? Longer throat.
See, let me tell you what you don't know. Let me tell you what you don't know. It will shock you when you see me on my royal regalia for my sister's wedding. She's getting married to a very, very, very rich, prosperous, wealthy prince. And when it happens, you might not be there to follow me.
Yes. Longer. Longer.
I see the future.
Abashasela.
I see the future. I'm entering a royal blood. Royal blood waiting for me. Ndidi, you have just lost a golden opportunity to be with me on that day. Don't worry.
Again,
are you saying that Kate accepted to marry you?
Look at this guy. What do you take me for? Yeah? You're joking with me, oh?
Eh? I get Igbo man sense. Look, I tell you something. My mama na Calabar, my papa na Igbo. So I'm automatically an Igbo man. I even speak Igbo past Calabar. Don't joke with me, oh.
So you now marry Kate?
Yes, now. Igbo like me.
I don't believe that Igbo will give you support to marry Kate, oh. Let me ask you. Where did you see money to buy all these fine dresses for her?
My salary now. I save.
Whose salary?
Or you don't save.
Whose salary? It's not the same salary they pay me. Even I know that my salary is higher than yours.
Yes, we know. Your own is higher than mine. But what have you achieved with it? Nothing.
Is it insult? Are you insulting me?
But you insulted me first.
I don't blame you. It's because you see me in this balance. That's why you are saying nonsense in your mouth.
Look at this one. You envy me. Oh.
Who is envying you?
You're just envying me for nothing.
Don't worry. Maybe after we will know who be who.
Why are you even angry?
No, get out.
Must the one who asks you to always finish your salary. They pay you into Bank of Bangladesh. Deposit, no withdrawal. Women's bonbon. Deposit, no withdrawal. Bank of Bangladesh. They pay you piam. I save, my friend. Come on, get out.
I can't believe father gave his consent for Akpan to marry Kate.
As in, I don't even understand our father anymore. Like, I don't even believe our father again.
Hey, haven't you noticed that anytime matters concerning that girl comes up, father is always considerate?
Hey, but wait though, are you sure she has not hypnotized our father? Because I could remember the last time Vicky's 200,000 naira lost. The way our father treated it, as in the way he even treated the matter, till now, he still did not believe that Kate stole that money.
He's been saying he will look into it, he will look into it. That's how the matter died.
That girl is a thief, oh. She's a thief.
Okay. Okay.
Don't judge it that way. The Kate I know
did not steal that money.
Okay, who stole it?
The person that stole the money knows herself. And very soon, she will be exposed.
Can you imagine?
I might not be the one to expose her, but I know for sure, soon, the thief will be exposed.
Well, keep quiet.
Look at this one. Exposed.
What are you saying? Okay, who stole it? This one you're talking and moving your body like this. Let it not be that you're thinking it's me.
The thief knows herself. And at the right time, she will know.
This girl upsets me so much. How did I become a sister to this kind of person?
I will deal with this girl. I'm going to deal with this girl. Father and mother will not do anything to it.
Calm down.
Imagine, they will stole the money.
Father will do something.
He will not do anything.
Father will do something.
Madam. So who is that person that you're pointing fingers at? Am I not talking to you?
Are you okay? Ebere, what is the meaning of this? Can I have my phone?
I said, who is this person you're pointing accusing fingers at?
I believe the thief knows herself. And at the right time, I will expose her. Give me my phone.
I will not give you this phone until you tell me who you are accusing.
Wait until Vicky finds out who the thief is. Then you will see what she will do to you. If you don't give me my phone now, go and expose you. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Try it again.
It's obvious this girl knows about this thing, no? I'll not let you spoil my name in this palace. Stupid girl.
Igwe must be up to something. Yes, I'm convinced about that.
How do you mean, Chief?
Can't you see? He's quiet over the issue that brought us to the city.
Hey, don't you hear him? He said we should not worry about the matter. That he knows what to do.
His very words. But,
Ichie, let us give him some time to know what he has in mind.
What else would he have in mind if not to marry a second woman that will give him an heir to the throne? What else?
Ichie, do you know if the queen is pregnant and he doesn't want us to know?
The queen?
Of course it's possible. Or is it not possible?
You might be right.
Okay.
The queen pregnant?
Greetings, Father.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine. There is something I need to discuss with you. It's very important.
All right, sit down.
Okay.
Go on.
Okay. I met someone. Rather, I have a man in my life. He proposed and I accepted. He requested to come and see you.
So, he wants to come and see me here.
Mm-hmm.
That's good news. So what does he do for a living?
Well, he is an importer based in the UK.
That's good to hear. Until I see him.
All right, Father. So I'll just go back to my...
Okay.
Give them here, we move go. Papa, no, but I will see how it ends. Your daughter want to marry the prince. Look at them. Some people are just liars of the millionaire. From secretary work to a cook. Look at her. You're not even ashamed of yourself. Hey, me and you people in this village, I will see how it ends.
Where are you coming from?
Uchenna, you're asking me. Who did you tell about Kate's marriage? Answer me!
My girl, who did I tell? I don't understand. How, when?
You are a liar. How did Felicia know that my daughter is getting married to a prince?
Felicia. My Felicia, I have a money, I have a more. Who is that person? Madam has asked Felicia.
Oh, small Felicia. Are you
I don't know anybody. I don't know anybody like that.
Are you asking me? Hey, you needed to see the way this woman mocked me. You needed to see how she mocked me.
Nah, Mama, you never. What is you? Are you afraid of mockery? Mockery, quoi? Is our sister not getting married? You're not getting married to a prince?
Hey, shut up! Come on, make you porn again. What's your problem? This is the second time you are doing this. You cannot keep your mouth shut. You talk like why? What's your problem?
Mama, how does one way go? I don't know what is going on. How does one way go? What is it?
Will you get out?
Amali, no, my sister is getting married. My sister is getting married. What do you mean? So this useless woman still went and mocked my mother. Okay, she did not believe that my sister can get married up here. She did not believe that it's true. And about what? I was already so get out for me royal regalia. What on there, man?
Mom, I am super duper excited.
Really?
Yes, Mom. I can't even contain how happy I am right now. Well, I spoke to Dad about him, and he said I should tell him to come and see him.
Who is this young man you're talking about?
He's an importer based in the UK.
Whoa. Hey, this one is a good one.
Thank you, Mom.
All right. If you have told your father about him and he asks you to bring him, why not?
Oh, thank you, Mama. Mama, Mommy,
I know, don't worry. I'm going to prepare delicious meal for him.
Mama the mama.
Yes.
Mama the mamalicious. For this one, you deserve one smoke. Calm down. It's too serious. Calm down. Life is not that serious. But you need banana.
I hope this one will like this your lifestyle. I hope he will like it.
Mama, calm down. Your blood today hot. Take a chill pill, Mama. Mama the mama.
Papa told me you said you cannot marry him.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Why? You think he's not man enough?
Your Highness, it's not about being man enough. I'm just considering his
Kind of job as a gate man. And you're afraid that he might not be able to take good care of you. Am I right?
That's true, Your Highness.
Kate,
Your Highness.
don't worry yourself, okay? Akpan is like a son to me. And he has been with me since I ascended his throne. I can do anything for him just to make him happy. And so if you marry him, I'll take care of both of you. I'll build a house for your people. I'll make your people a friend of this royal family. So I want you to go home. Go tell your mother about it.
Okay, Your Highness. Thank you, Your Highness. Papa might be a good man, as the king said. But what will people say if they heard that I married a gatesman?
Kate. Kate.
What is it?
Come to see. Brought this for you.
For me. What is this?
Open it and find out yourself. Oh?
I should find out myself.
Take it.
Where did that man get money to buy all these things? These things looks very expensive. And he's just doing this all to get my attention to marry him. Wow. Let me see.
Please take a look at this.
Hey, Vicky, what's up?
Ebere.
What's up?
Are you wait.
What's happened?
Are you the one?
What's happened?
Ebere, so it was you. Ebere. So
So
it was you.
They move sometimes. They move. See, no vex.
No, I was
vex,
busy
beg,
accusing
beg,
Kate. So it was you.
No vex, no vex. I promise. No tell her.
I should not do what?
If she doesn't tell our father, I promise you I will tell him.
You're very stupid. You're very stupid. Shut your mouth. If you don't mind this, don't mind this girl now. I beg now.
Ebere, are you okay? Don't ever try to hit me again. Are you stupid?
And if I what will you do? Shut up. See cloud. Don't mind.
Cloud,
Now
open mouth.
Yeah,
nah.
yeah, you hit her. Shut up. They shout for my room.
What is for you? Come on, shut up your mouth.
I go pay you back now. Don't tell yourself. I go pay you. No vex. No vex. No vex. No vex.
You messed up.
No vex.
You messed
no
up.
Vex. No vex. No